Hello. If you are looking on how to use Super with Slack, you're on the right place. So Super is your enterprise search assistant. You can, of course, connect Slack as a source. So you can access all the data that your team is being discussed across all the channels that you can access. But Slack is also one of the best way to use Super to call it. So the basic way to use Super in Slack is simply when somebody asks a question to tag Super. It will read the entire thread and look for the answer or run the action based on the thread data throughout all your documents. You can also filter in natural language saying, for instance, I can write. So here it's answered, but I can actually run a subsequent query with some kind of like more indication on the steps to follow. And Super will adapt. So in this case, we can actually access the code base from Super. So I can let it browse and find the answer through there. Okay, that's great. Now, the other way to access Super is simply by DMing it. So you can simply ask a question without mentioning Super, and you can say, can ask this kind of question. It will start to run. And same thing, we will see it think, prepare a plan, start to research. If it decide to use more tools, it will adapt. And yeah, here we are shipping our new onboarding flow, multi-column and slides, some onboarding, great. One last thing to mention, a lot of team actually build an Ask Me Anything type of channel. That lets you create some habits and educate your teammates to use it. It's particularly great when you have like a lot of repetitive questions, typically for customer teams on products or for newcomers when they arrive in the team. One last thing that you can do with Super on Slack, in Super, you can actually generate digest, so you can run commands and search on your team data on a periodic basis. So for instance, I have my full sales pipeline that is digested and generates a report every week for me. Well, I can do that in Slack if I want. Or here I have my Slack roast, which analyze our Slack discussion and generate a roast for our team. And you can get them delivered in your emails, but you can also get them delivered in your Slack DMs directly. This will be based on your permission. So even if like you have multiple subscribers, it will generate customized version for each of your teammates. And yeah, that's Super and Slack. Sorry for my voice. I hope that was useful. And if you have any more questions, reach out to Super support team and enjoy your experience. Bye-bye.